Good evening, guys. Warm welcome to everyone. So, first of all, I would like to thank you guys for showing concern towards me or showing concern towards my health. And yesterday, I was not feeling well, so I was not able to prepare any video for the market outlook. But today, I'm feeling well and I am preparing a market outlook video for you all. I hope that you will enjoy this video. I would like to share some of the observations done on Bank Nifty and Nifty, which will be helping you out in the coming days. As a trader, first thing you guys have to learn is when to be aggressive and when not to be aggressive in the markets. So basically, today's video will be about the teachings of when to be aggressive and when not to be aggressive in the markets. Let me first open the free Telegram channel for you all so that I can guide you what happened in the markets today. So in the morning only, I told you that expecting a sideways session between 17,600 and 17,800. No aggressive trades between this range. So basically, today was a range bound day. And whenever there is a range bound day expectation, one must not be trading in a higher position size. तो आपको अपने आप ही कम क्वांटिटी में ट्रेड करना चाहिए. And what you have to do basically on a range bound day is buy low and sell high. तो जब भी you are expecting a range bound session, just buy low and sell high. And during that day, please play a small position size because it is harder to trail during range bound trading sessions. The reason is कि आपको कभी भी एक तरफी मूव नहीं मिलेगी, आपको हमेशा ऊपर नीचे बहुत कम जोन में होता रहेगा and you have to trail your position, which is much harder than a trending market. So basically your position size must be less ताकि even if you hit your SL, अगर आपका SL भी hit हो जाए volatility में, then also you can accept a small loss. That is the idea of when to be aggressive and when not to be aggressive. And today also I will be guiding you about some of my trading ideas planned for the index in the coming days, and which I will be telling you that when you can get aggressive on the index again. Bajaj Auto accumulations, I have sent you one update regarding that. Few days back, I have told you that Bajaj Auto is looking good and has retested and continued from strong accumulation zones of 2020. So basically, again and again, I'm teaching you one thing, that is accumulation zones and the power of accumulation zones. 34,000 pay, there was an accumulation zone in Bank Nifty, and now you are seeing a huge move in Bank Nifty. 16,400 पे accumulation zone था Nifty पे. I have told you in one of my videos, and there we made a low on Nifty. Bajaj Auto में भी यहाँ accumulation zone है, and I'm expecting that we will make a low on Bajaj Auto here as well. So I've added some quantities in my blue chip portfolio in Bajaj Auto, and as I'm not a trader who like to keep high quantities of blue chip stocks in my portfolio, basically I just make small investments as I'm more aggressive towards the mid cap stocks. So I've done a small investment in Bajaj Auto and I will be holding this for good returns. So that was the first thing. The second thing is Poonawalla FinCorp, something which I shared a few days back at 220 levels. I shared you the monthly breakout update in Poonawalla FinCorp, and today it was 10% up. So another stock where we made good returns, where we are running on good profits. So I would like to say that we are all happy because we are making 10 to 20% returns again and again in either of the recommendations that I'm sending you, whether it be sugar stocks, whether it be some other recommendation, whether it be Gravita India or whatnot. The other thing is today I gave you a BTST recommendation as well, and that was RSWM India. The charts are looking good. The closing is good. And yes, it is trading at a lifetime level. So if we see a flat opening or an opening above 520 levels, tomorrow you will see a good momentum in the morning in RSWM. So that was another idea that I told you in the morning. Now I just want to teach you one thing, that is when to be aggressive in the index and when not to be aggressive. अब बस एक बात आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि जैसे ही फ्राइडे का हाई ब्रेक हुआ था बैंक निफ्टी पे, we saw a huge momentum on Monday. Basically, Mondays are about huge momentum. तो जैसे ही फ्राइडे का हाई ब्रेक हुआ on Monday, we saw a huge momentum in the market. अब जैसे ही मंडे का हाई ब्रेक हुआ, we saw a good momentum on Tuesday as well. जैसे ही Wednesday, Tuesday का high break हुआ, we saw a good momentum on Wednesday as well. And yesterday also, you saw that Bank Nifty rose around 1,000 points in intraday. So basically, that is the idea कि जब भी मार्केट ट्रेंडिंग होगा वो पिछले दिन का या तो लो तोड़ेगा या फिर हाई तोड़ेगा एंड दैट इज व्हेन यू विल गेट मोमेंटम व्हेन यू ब्रेक आउट ऑफ प्रीवियस डे रेंज यू विल गेट मोमेंटम अब आज क्या हुआ टुडे वाज थर्सडे आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कि आज वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग अ रेंज बाउंड सेशन एंड बैंक निफ्टी ने इंट्राडे में एक मूव दी थी but as we were not aggressive towards the index today so we were not able to catch it and obviously, as a trader, it is not important to catch every move, but it is important to plan for the bigger trades that might come in the later future. So what I want to teach you today is कि जैसे ही अब Wednesday का high break होगा, that is 37,862. Only then we will get aggressive towards Bank Nifty. Our next target will be 38,500. And if we are able to sustain above that on a closing basis, on a good breakout candle, then definitely we will move towards 40,000 levels. So what I want to tell you here is that until and unless we are not breaking this range of Wednesday, we don't have to get aggressive on Bank Nifty. ये समझो guys कि there are two types of corrections in the market, either a price correction or either a time correction. कभी कभार it happens कि if something is positive, it will not give you a price correction. अगर किसी चीज को ऊपर जाना है इट विल नॉट गिव यू अ प्राइस करेक्शन मे बी इट गिव्स यू अ टाइम करेक्शन ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि वो कुछ दिन रुके वो कुछ दिन कंसोलिडेट करे एंड देन अगेन वो एक अप मूव दे सो दैट इज बेसिकली ट्रेडिंग इन द ट्रेंडिंग मार्केट्स जब भी मार्केट्स ट्रेंडिंग हो तब आप उसमें अग्रेसिवली ट्रेड करो जब भी मार्केट्स होल्ड करें वेट फॉर द राइट टाइम जब आप एक बड़ी पोजीशन में वापस ट्रेड कर सको And basically, I want to teach you this thing that कि जब तक market इस Wednesday की range में है, please wait, please don't be aggressive. And what you can do is basically अगर अपन Wednesday की range के lower part पे आ जाते हैं, then you have to think of a buying opportunity. अगर अपन Wednesday की range के higher part पे आ जाते हैं, then you have to think of a selling opportunity. तो because last के 4 days trending रहे हैं बैंक निफ्टी पे I just want to say one thing कि maybe next 2 days are not at all trending in the markets and वो range bound रहे इस Wednesday की range में on Bank Nifty and therefore we have to maintain a small position size in this volatility in this consolidation period ताकि अपन ज्यादा पैसा नहीं खोएं या फिर ज्यादा बड़े प्रॉफिट की नहीं सोचनी है ठीक है we just have to think about a small profit a small loss and take a trade even if we are taking in this volatility or consolidation period and जैसे ही अपन को एक aggressive trading opportunity मिलती है we will be looking for aggressive trades ठीक है what I want to say is या तो Tuesday के high पे या फिर Wednesday के low पे think of a buying opportunity in Bank Nifty ठीक है and think of a selling opportunity only at Wednesday's high level. So this was about Bank Nifty. This was something that I want to tell you about Bank Nifty because थोड़े दिन से काफी अच्छा जा रहा है momentum Bank Nifty में and I think कि जो भी नए traders हैं they basically make a mistake in FOMO. जब भी momentum हो जाता है they try to catch the market at that point and that is where they make a mistake. So wait for the next momentum. Let markets hold for 2-3 days and then again make a move so that we can grab the opportunity similar to what had happened in the last 4-5 days. Now let's talk about Nifty IT. That is important because banks and IT are moving in a correlation. The similar, just the idea that whenever money flows out of IT, the money is going towards the banks. Whenever money is flowing out of banks, the money is going towards the IT. तो एक चीज पहले मैं आपको समझा देता हूँ वो ये है कि जब निफ्टी 18,600 से 16,400 का लो बनाया इट वाज बिटवीन 18th अक्टूबर एंड 20th दिसंबर एंड इस पीरियड में इफ यू सी देन निफ्टी आईटी कंसोलिडेट कर रही थी लेट मी शो यू 18th यस 20th अक्टूबर एंड 20th दिसंबर तो सेम प्राइस पे ही थी निफ्टी आईटी एंड इट वाज बेसिकली कंसोलिडेटिंग जब निफ्टी फॉल हो रही थी तो निफ्टी फॉल क्यों हो रही थी उस वजह से Nifty was falling because of Bank Nifty. Because if you see, तो अक्टूबर में यहाँ पे 18th 19th अक्टूबर पे निफ्टी थी अराउंड 39,000 एंड इफ यू सी एट 20th दिसंबर इट वाज एट अराउंड 34,000. तो 6,000 पॉइंट्स की करेक्शन आई थी बैंक निफ्टी में एंड इट वाज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट ड्रैगर्स फॉर द मार्केट. And basically at that time, IT was just consolidating. So this is a good correlation between IT and banks. And from the last 2 days, what you have seen a very good correction in IT stocks. Okay, IT stocks have seen a good correction, and on the opposite side, banks have seen good buying. I just want to say that we have TCS results very soon. Uh, I think they will be announced next week. And TCS ने 2 दिन से एक प्राइस करेक्शन भी दी है एंड थोड़ा सा हॉल्ट किया आफ्टर मेकिंग 2 strong कैंडल्स. नाउ इट हैज अप्रोच्ड इट्स 9 EMA. Basically 9 EMA gives support to the stocks which are trending, which are in momentum. So one can expect that now TCS can again show the momentum. And basically another idea जो है वो ये है कि जब भी TCS के results आने वाले होते हैं, it is always अराउंड हाइज. तो टीसीएस इज ऑलवेज अराउंड हाइज जब भी रिजल्ट आने वाले होते हैं. बेसिकली दैट इज बिकॉज कि वन एक्सपेक्ट वेरी गुड रिजल्ट्स फ्रॉम टीसीएस एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट ऑलवेज इज नियर इट्स 52 वीक हाइज. तो अभी भी ये 52 वीक हाइज के पास है एंड वन कैन एक्सपेक्ट कि आने वाले डेज में इट कैन गो अप अगेन अपने रिजल्ट्स के आसपास वाले टाइम पे. एंड दिस वाज इट्स लास्ट रिजल्ट जब ये अराउंड 3,900 के आसपास था. Another reason that I'm saying that banks can hold for the next 2 days, the reason is कि I'm expecting the IT to again go up. IT can again go up. The reason is 20 EMA is now coming on the IT stocks. अब ब्रेकआउट के बाद ये जो चैनल का ब्रेकआउट हुआ है, it's the first time that we are seeing 20 EMA on Nifty IT, which is around 37,657, around 1% down. So even if ki agar we see 1% downside in IT and then again a rise, तो अगले 1-2 दिन में हो सकता है कि because IT is at a value area, हो सकता है IT again up move दिखाएं थोड़ी सी and banks consolidate करें. Because अगर IT ऊपर जाएगा then banks have to consolidate. This is the correlation. So basically in this video I want to tell you about some of the correlations कि मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ आपको बैंक निफ्टी पे यू डोंट हैव टू बी एग्रेसिव बिकॉज 4-5 दिन से अच्छा मोमेंटम चल रहा है. एंड whoever is new in the market basically जब वो जानने को मिलता है कि बैंक निफ्टी अच्छी चल रही है, they trade at that time. वो उस वक्त ट्रेड नहीं करते जब वो अच्छी चल रही होती है, बट जब अच्छी चल चुकी होती है then they start moving their funds into बैंक निफ्टी and which creates losses and panic for them. तो ऐसा मत करना. आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि आपको कब एग्रेसिव होना है. आई एम अगेन सेइंग कि अगर कल भी बैंक निफ्टी अपना 37,862 का हाई तोड़ देती है, if it gives a good breakout, you can go long. But until and unless we are in this range of Wednesday's high and low, please don't be aggressive. You have to buy near the low of Wednesday and you have to sell near the high of Wednesday. That's it. That is a simple plan for you guys. Another thing is कि we have to notice what happens in US 100 today, because US 100 दो दिन से, that is the Nasdaq IT stocks in America, वो 2 दिन से काफी अच्छी खासी डाउनसाइड दिखाई है, and that is why we are seeing some good downside in Indian IT. But अगर if American IT stays on sidelines today, maybe we can expect that IT stocks will do okay tomorrow and maybe banks stop for a while. तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है. Another thing is, let's talk about Nifty, because Nifty was more negative today than Bank Nifty. Nifty was 1% down and Bank Nifty was 0.55% down. That is mainly because IT was 1.55% down. Another thing is Nifty has made a red candle today and banks have made a green candle. So Nifty was much more negative today. Ab, what we have to plan for Nifty? जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया प्लान फॉर बैंक निफ्टी की 3 दिन से मार्केट ट्रेंडिंग है. सिमिलर टू दैट निफ्टी में भी 3 दिन से मार्केट ट्रेंडिंग था. जैसे ही वी ब्रेक वेडनेसडे मंडेज हाई, वी मेड अ न्यू हाई ऑन ट्यूसडे जैसे ही ट्यूसडे का हाई ब्रीच हुआ, we made a new high on Wednesday. But today we were not able to break the high of Wednesday, and therefore after gap down, markets halted for a while. What happened today? Today we made a day high of 17,797, and just near that we have high of Tuesday's market. ठीक है. So what one can expect is, if today's day high remains a resistance tomorrow, if we are not able to break the zone of 17,800 to 17,820, please mark the words, because this zone is very important. 17,800 और 17,820, अगर ये लेवल नहीं टूटता है निफ्टी पे in coming 1 or 2 days, प्लीज डोंट बाय द मार्केट. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, अगर आपको कोई नेगेटिव प्राइस एक्शन दिख रहा है 17,800 के पास या 17,820 के पास, यू हैव टू लुक फॉर अ सेलिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी. अब दैट विल बी ओनली एन इंट्राडे व्यू, जिसको आपको इंट्राडे में ही बुक करना पड़ेगा. Don't have to carry shorts, because my overall view on the market is still buy on dips, but we have to find that buy on dip scenario. जब तक वो dip नहीं आएगी, we can't go aggressive once again. जब तक वो time correction या price correction नहीं आ जाती, we can't go and buy markets aggressively. Because if you see, to 16,400 से we have in one direction came towards 18,000 levels. Now you have to stop buying the markets aggressively, play wisely, and जब तक एक time या price correction आपको नहीं मिलती, don't go aggressive on the markets. Same would remain the idea, just like the bank nifty. आज अपन कल के लो के पास बंद हुए हैं, वेडनेसडे के लो के पास आज क्लोजिंग हुई है मार्केट्स की. That means that today's candle will be considered as a negative candle on the market, and अगर if we open flat, I'm expecting a fall tomorrow and not a rise. So I just want to say you one thing, कि best sell होगी around 17,800, 17,820. अगर markets if by any reason comes to this level, then you have to look for a selling opportunity. Okay, and you can take a small SL. But if market is breaking this level clearly, अगर कोई negative price action आपको नहीं मिल रहा है 17,800 के आसपास, 17,820 के आसपास, you don't have to sell. Breakout आता है, then buy कर लेना. Nothing. We just have to follow this. But as per my view, I think we should take a resistance at 17,800 on nearby levels for tomorrow or maybe for Monday. So अगले 1-2 दिन we have to see consolidation in the market. एंड नेक्स्ट थिंग वुड रिमेन इज कि 17,800 पे आपको सेल करना है. आज का लो आपका सपोर्ट रहेगा. ठीक है, आज का लो सपोर्ट इसीलिए रहेगा बिकॉज दिस इज मंडेज हाई. आज का जहां पे आज मार्केट ने सपोर्ट लिया है, इट इज नियर मंडेज हाई. सो बेसिकली जो ट्यूसडे का लो है एंड जो मंडे का हाई है, वो काफी पास में है. बिकॉज इफ यू सी ट्यूसडेज लो, इट इज अराउंड 17,590. इफ यू सी मंडेज हाई, जिसका ब्रेकआउट आने की वजह से अपन ट्यूसडे को बढ़े, दैट इज अराउंड 17,646. तो इवन इफ मार्केट्स करेक्ट करते हैं, इवन इफ मार्केट्स फॉल करते हैं नेक्स्ट 2 days में, then I'm expecting a correction till 17,590 to 17,650 levels बस. So what you have to do is कि अगर आपको 17,800 पे मार्केट्स मिल रहे हैं, if you are getting a chance to sell the markets, then it will be these levels only. एंड नीचे के जो लोअर लेवल्स आ रहे हैं, जस्ट बिकॉज कि ये प्रीवियस रेजिस्टेंस थी एंड अब ब्रेकआउट आ गया, तो ये सपोर्ट बनेगा. एज यू हैव स्टडीड इन प्राइस एक्शन कि किसी भी लेवल का ब्रेकआउट आता है, लेटर ऑन इट बिकम्स अ सपोर्ट. सो जस्ट बाय दैट लॉजिक, जस्ट बाय दैट सिंपल प्राइस एक्शन लॉजिक, आई एम टेलिंग यू कि अगर आपको सेलिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है, ट्राई टू सेल हायर एट 17,800 एंड ट्राई टू बाय लोअर. मतलब कि even if you book your shorts, try to book near 17,600, 17,650. बस यहाँ पे अपनी शॉर्ट्स खत्म कर लेना. एंड जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि मार्केट्स थोड़ा रेंज बाउंड है, प्राइस या टाइम करेक्शन देते हैं एंड दे हॉल्ट बिफोर मेकिंग द नेक्स्ट बिग मूव. तो इसीलिए you just have to trade in this 1% range of Nifty. एंड बैंक निफ्टी की भी मैंने आपको रेंज बता दी कि you have to trade in Wednesday's range. Until and unless we break this range, we can't be aggressive on the markets. So that was basically about today's video. आज कोई डेटा अभी आया नहीं है एंड F&O का जो भी डेटा आएगा आज, it was expiry. तो आज मैं आपको डेटा पे गाइडेंस नहीं दूंगा. I will be sending you cash data and उसके basis पे अगर कोई extra explanation होगा तो I will give you that. But I hope that you will understand a lot of things by this video. Not only my purpose is to guide you on a trending day. For a trending day मैंने आपको फ्राइडे को ही कहा था एंड संडे को कहा था कि मंडे को मार्केट ट्रेंडिंग हो सकते हैं एंड 3 दिन तक मार्केट ट्रेंडिंग रहे. बट नाउ आई एम गिविंग यू अ गाइडेंस कि लेट मार्केट हॉल्ट फॉर अ टाइम, let market show some correction, either it be through price or time. And जो लास्ट की ट्रेडिंग डे रेंज है इसमें थोड़ा कंसोलिडेट करने दो, मे बी देन वी गेट अ better trading opportunity with a better risk reward. So then we will again execute our longs or shorts in whatever ways we can. So that was about today's video. I hope that ये video आपकी help करेगी basically in understanding when to be aggressive and when not to be aggressive. और मैंने आपको हमेशा कहा है अगर high और low टूटता है then again it will be a trending day. It is considered as a trending day. तो जब तक previous day range में अपन trade कर रहे हैं we can't be aggressive. But if we are breaking the previous day range, then yes, then we can be aggressive. That was basically the idea of aggressive and not aggressive. Thank you guys. Have a good night.